For another update, let's take a look at cake over here. And cake looks like it's going to break out of its Wycoff accumulation range. As you guys can see, most of the volume traded from the all-time high down to the all-time low is right over here. So 70% or more of the volume is located right here within this accumulation range that we've been in for almost 1,000 days. As you guys can see, let me see over here. As you guys can see, this is your range. And whenever you go sideways after going down by about 85 to 94% in the crypto market, so this is your price-based capitulation down by 96% or 97%, and then this is your time-based capitulation. Now, usually most investors, they give up within this time-based capitulation, because after they've been slaughtered by the price-based capitulation, then they have to wade through all of this, and they think, oh, okay, the coin is just dead, right? And it plays with their emotions, but what it really is just the composite operator accumulating and distributing their coins in order to accumulate for the anticipation of this expansion to the upside. Now, this is just an estimated trajectory on the wave count, but what I'm thinking is we go to around the 50% fib sitting at around 665 when we take a fib from the all-time high down to the bear market low. So I'm thinking this could be a wave 3 of 3. Then we have one more push up to around 1034. And we may tag this value area high. So when we analyze the volume here, you see let me see here. If we just analyze this volume, you could see let me see here. The value area high is around this region, right? It was on it before. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's right there at 13. So that's the value area high. So you may see a wick up to this region as a B wave, come down for a aggressive C wave, and then have an extension of this. Then have a wave 3 to around the 786, a wave 4 down to back test this 702, and then we have a wave 5 to the upside. Now this is not down to a science. This is just an estimated trajectory in which we'll have to alter as the price develops. Okay, so now what I'm thinking over here on the small time frame is that we already hit the 70.2% fib, and we haven't yet wicked into this region. So what I'm thinking is we come over here, wick into this region, and then we see a little bit of a retrace down for likely what's to be a wave 2. Now this doesn't mean to sell your cake. I'm just pointing out the possibility of this scenario occurring. This would be your wave 1, your wave 2, your 3rd, 4th, and then this looks like an extended 5th, or your blow off top on the small time frame, and then we continue up from there. Okay, it'll likely form some type of inverted head and shoulders pattern. This is one way of looking at it, and you may even see deviation below this neckline to around here, and then it gets bought up. But yeah, the reason I'm thinking that we could have a good shot at a potential bottom is because we came down to the 786. You see how well we reacted off the 786 here? You guys see that? Like a V-shaped recovery. So you may see a little bit of a correction here soon, but it's still a hold for me, because I think it's going to go and trend towards $13 at the value area high. Now, this is a Wycoff range. So I'm thinking that this is your spring right here. This is your sign of strength. This is your backup phase. And then this is your continuation in phase E. Now, in this sign of strength phase, you'll see a lot of media attention and hype. And then it's going to come all the way down here. People are going to think it's a bear market. And then we will likely have one more rise from there to the higher targets. But it would be best if you guys TP all the way up, because you definitely don't want to be sitting through this correction right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.